Welcome to the future of two-wheeled adventure. The Kawasaki Corleo concept, unveiled under the bold vision of Lux Auto X, is not just a trail bike, it's a radical leap into 2050. Designed for a world where terrain is limitless and technology flows seamlessly into motion, the Corleo is a glimpse at what happens when engineering and imagination collide. Let's start with the design. The Corleo doesn't just look futuristic, it is futuristic. The chassis is crafted from adaptive graphene composite, meaning it's both feather-light and strong enough to handle terrains that don't even exist on maps yet. Its shape is sleek, almost predatory, with active aero wings that adjust in real time based on your speed, incline, and wind direction. It's the kind of machine that looks like it belongs in a video game, but it's real, and it's rideable. Powering the Corleo is a dual-core electric propulsion system, drawing energy from Kawasaki's next-gen solid-state battery pack. This setup delivers instant torque and a top speed of 160 km/h on dirt. It's built with regenerative suspension tech that actually stores kinetic energy from rough terrain and converts it back into usable power. That means longer trail runs, fewer stops, and more freedom. But here's where things get wild. The Corleo features AI-assisted terrain reading. Using LiDAR, onboard sensors, and a neural terrain processor, it scans up to 200 meters ahead, adjusting suspension stiffness, traction control, and torque delivery before you even feel the change. It's like the bike is thinking 2 steps ahead, keeping the ride smooth, fast, and incredibly stable even over shifting sand or loose gravel. Inside the cockpit, it's all about immersive control. No analog gauges here, just a panoramic, wraparound old interface with gesture and eye tracking input. You want to switch ride modes? Glance left. Need to engage hover assist for water crossings. One upward swipe. Yes, you heard that right, hover assist. The Corleo's magnetic pulse boosters allow short hover bursts over shallow rivers or crevices. Not flight yet, but enough to change how we think about off-road boundaries. Another standout feature, the bioadaptive seat. It molds to your body in real time, sensing posture and fatigue, then adjusting support and grip accordingly. You don't just ride the Corleo, you become part of it. And let's not forget connectivity. It syncs with your smart gear, tracks health metrics, and maps your route in 3D AR that overlays onto your helmet visor. It even offers live terrain sharing with other Corleo riders so you can see the best line on a trail before you hit it. Kawasaki says the Corleo is a concept, but everything about it feels ready. Ready for riders who crave more than speed. Who want freedom, precision, and connection. It's not just a trail bike. It's the trailblazer. The future isn't coming. It's already waiting on two wheels. Would you ride it?